Alright. What's crack? I like it, mate. Nice day. You've probably seen this bit before. Well, not you might. You probably have. If you watch the videos, of course. Yeah, no, I got out quite late today, so I'm gonna try and get to Joydens Woods, but yeah, that's the plan. I'm probably gonna get there. I just don't know how long I'm gonna be there for, but so I'm not really gonna film much on the way. I just want to get there, so I ain't wasting time. I don't even know if I've come the right way, mate. I just thought, yeah, let's take the initiative. So I've got to check at the bottom of there. Yeah, as well with the flies as well. Like when I go past them, I shut my mouth now, mate. I ain't having a repeat of last time. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I was about to say, fucking hell, well, the route didn't come up. Thinking I've gone way out the fucking way now. I don't know if I said it's pretty fucking windy today, so I don't know if it's just gonna be the whole fucking video. I hope not. I've got a slow puncture on my back wheel, so that's always fun. So there's always a chance of it going flat. Fingers crossed it don't. Because fuck that walk. Takes half an hour to ride there on bike. So walking, I don't know, just double it. Maybe even fucking double it in a bit. I'm gonna put the phone away, turn the GoPro off, because I need to start getting pedalling. Alright, we're finally here, mate. We're finally here. Yeah, I tried beating the recommended time on Google Maps, but that didn't happen. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, of all the ways I've gone to this place, this way was by far the longest. By far, mate. You can see that. Please keep the designated paths. Type shit. Yeah, even just for reference, just fucking pedaling it was a nightmare. Look how hot it is. See the screen's still on. Hello. Yeah, look at that. I've noticed I got some fucking like swelling there, man. Like there's a bit there, but it's not as bad. I have no idea where we're going, no idea, shall I say. So I'm just gonna go around them because it's quite big, so I'll probably get lost. But main thing is, I want to smoke a little doobie.
One zombie.
I need to just check if I need to adjust the camera. Yeah, so how's everyone doing, man? Anyone out today? It's like 21, 22, Saturday. I didn't want to go this way, but brakes don't give me no choice, mate. Mate, I've got to stop and just show you this shit. Now this is proper. Like I'm in a fucking scene for wrong turn or something. Little mark on the tree. Means I'm close. Mental. Out of this and shoot. Oh, you know you've got to go that way. It'd be fucking wrong not to go that way, mate. I mean, this is where the action's going to begin. Oh, well, never mind. That was a bit of a... There's a path in there, though. Need to find that path. I want to go in there. I mean, this bit's nice, but I want to be in with... Let's go back ourselves. I think I saw a little opening to get in there, but it didn't look like nothing. But now I see the path going in. This is some wrong turn shit, man. 100%. I don't think you're meant to go in this way, but we're going here, boy. Okay, no, but I can't lie, it's actually kind of creeping me out a bit. Don't want to get lost. That's the main thing. But I can't lie, this is probably going to be the best place to smoke. If I'm being honest. It sucks, man. I wish I fucking left the house earlier. I'm just a lazy fucker, man, sometimes. Well, not sometimes, a lot of the time. Yeah, no, this is some wrong turn shit, 100%. 100 fucking %, mate. Yeah, finally, somewhere that's actually woods, mate. Like, look at that shit. And watch, I'll fucking smoke a doobie in here and I'll still come across fucking people. Like a fucking river ran through here or something. Like a river or something. Not a river, but a stream or something like that. Yeah. The fuck was that?
Oh my god, what is that?
What the fuck was that? That was pretty fucking creepy. I can't lie, man. Call me a bitch what you want. That's, I don't know what the fuck that was. So like, you know, like don't know if someone grabbed onto a branch and it like was about to snap, but then it was like let go of. If that makes sense. The question is which way? Probably this way, innit? Oh yeah, no, this is a proper fucking woods, mate. Fucking woodtistic, mate. I mean, not autistic, woodtistic. See some woods and some trees and that, start spazzing out. Right, this seems more... Oh, there's some people over there. We don't want to go that way, mate. We'll take this right here, boy. I was just going to bring it the same fucking way, but I didn't want to go. I guess it is, a little park or something. Go in here. The fuck, the name of this trail was something die. No, stop. Stairs. Fucking hell. These fucking brakes. But yeah, this definitely feels like some rock turd shit. Let me take this off and show you properly. Yeah, it definitely must be motherfuckers camping in here though. I mean, it's a big fucking woods. You'd be able to get a tent up somewhere. Bit random, but that's me. That freaks me out. No service, mate. That's it. Anything happens, I'm fucking done for. You know, listen to some music, but I guess not. Because even if I post this video, this is like maybe what, not even 10% of this place. So it's not like it's going to be like a repost and oh, he's going to the same spot, because you ain't seen nothing. And I'll probably go up here. I feel like going, oh, fucking go up here, yeah, good idea. Fucking look at that. Fuck's sake. I'm just going to turn it off, there's no point in me watching me walk up a fucking hill. Yeah, that fucking all done me, mate. So I went the wrong way. Oh, I'm so shit, ain't I? Fuck me. Oh yeah, I've gone the wrong way, that's for sure. Oh, I can't even get out that way either. Fuck. Yeah. To go back on myself. Because this way is just going to take me further away. Oh, that did not sound fucking healthy, did it? Fucking hell. You take it right. Yeah, see, this is the way we came in before. Like ages ago when I come. How the fuck do you get out of here then? Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to pull Google Maps up to see where I'm going to get home. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. So cheers for watching, Jay and Shane, and anybody else. Peace.